Hi guys, this week I'm just doing a quick little refrigerator clean out and grocery haul, pack away, clean up. So it just needs to be done. Sometimes our fridge just gets so grubby and we just need to give it a good clean out. So that's what I'm doing this week. I hope you like it. Okay, just a little top-up haul. Over here we've just got some ham and some chicken burgers. We've got some poppers for school lunches, some juice over there and some cordials, carrots, bananas, some Calypso mangoes, cabbage for one of the meals through the week, some yogurts here for Litly, some cheese, some frozen veggies. We're going to have a stir fry one night and just have an easy pizza and garlic bread night. I've already got garlic bread in the freezer. These little pops from Aldi, Chili loves them. We've got some bread, we've got some grapes over here and some margarine. Then we've just got over the back there, we've got school lunches, snacks. And then we've just got some chips and lollies, some biscuits. We've got some eggs here, some milk, essential. And then we've got over the back there some toilet paper and some hand paper towels. So that's just a quick little top up for the week. So let's get that all packed away. Alrighty, that's all done now. So we've just packed everything away, gave it a good clean out, and everything's looking all good now. So awesome. Really happy with that. Just packed everything into the freezer, and now the fridge is all nice and clean. Everything's packed back away now. All ready to go for another week. Okay, that's everything packed away now. All done. Alrighty guys, that's all done now, so that's another job out of the way that I don't have to worry about. So I hope you have liked this video. It's a bit of a chore and unfortunately we all just have to do it. So I hope you have liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. I also have a pantry makeover that I done a while back. If you just want to watch that, I've linked that in the description, and I'll see you all in the next one.